What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to cancel our Paramount Plus subscription. So let's jump right into it. Alright you guys, this video should be fairly short. First off, obviously, open up your internet and go to Paramount Plus and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. We're signed in here, and we're going to click on our name here, and we're going to go down to account. And then once we're here, we have a lot of information. Most of this stuff is going to be blocked off. It's my personal information, email, passwords, things like that. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you have your subscription here. And all you have to do is click on cancel subscription. It says you're about to cancel your subscription. Are you sure? Yes, I understand. So we're going to cancel it. And then of course, they're going to ask you why it is that you're leaving. I'm just going to put other, and then you can type in whatever it is that you want. I put just cause and then complete cancellation, so make sure you click on that. And it says your subscription was canceled successfully. And that's pretty much it. After that, you can still use your subscription until the end of it, and then whenever your next day for billing is supposed to come around, that's when your subscription will end. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and as always, I will see you guys on the next video.